Happy New Year! It is January 1st, 2020. I figured there's no better day than today than to start my bench build. I have no plans, I have no design. This not having a plan thing has been proving to be quite difficult. So I opened up Google SketchUp and I just thought, you know what, I need to be a little bit more nostalgic. So I was rooting through some of my old tool drawers and I found this thing. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one. They call this a pencil. And I was able to take just this and put it down on here and able to draft up some plans for my workbench. If you guys don't have one of these, you ought to try it. It really puts you back using a good old pencil. So what we've got here, about 30 by just a little over 7 feet. I've got cherry board sandwiched in between some 1.5 inch maple. So the cherry's 3/4 1.5 inch maple. Kind of a neat vise here. Don't think anyone's ever seen one before, but we're gonna get into that a little bit later. And then as far as the base goes, this is the design. I kind of came off the old school pencil here. Fairly easy cuts on the bandsaw, nothing too crazy. Keeping this fairly simple joinery tasks. The front, we're gonna use about 6 or 7 inch open shelf, the front here. And I'll also have an 1.5 inch divider, and that's so I can get some holes in here as well on the front of this post. If I ever have a long piece, I want, this is kind of like the poor man's dead man. Not going to do a slider, anything like that. So 4 drawers across the front, probably a pancake compressor down in here, and then just random storage down here. It's a 6-inch apron or skirt around the whole table. So I don't know if I'm going to bore everybody with running the jointer and the planer, but that's basically where I'm at now. I'm just going to mill up all the wood, get it dimensioned, and then I'll start the carving for the joinery and that, try and get to a dry fit point. So currently right now I use this MDF top. This is where I do most of my work. I have a basic vise here, and depending on what I'm putting in it, I'll swap out the jaws and put wooden jaws in there if it really sucks. I'm not gonna lie, it really sucks. I see all these guys online with their beautiful benches, and there's a lot of beautiful benches out there. So it's my turn. I want to build a beautiful bench. I'm going to hack off about 32 inches of this table here, and my bench is going to sit this way. So this will be my main working station here. I'm going to have a tail vise here, twin screw type vise here. I find this open area is just a waste. It gets full of sawdust, it gets cluttered up. No good. Anyways, I figure I'll take you through the journey. I've got a little bit of time here, 3 weeks. I could probably put into this about 4 days a week, full days, so we'll see how far we get.